Hello everyone, my name is Joyce. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make brown rice. As you know that I'm coaching people who want to eat health, and I've been getting this question like, how can I make brown rice? I know most of us we are used to white rice, but today I'm going to show you how to make brown rice. The only trick is that brown rice is going to need more time to cook as well as more water. So you need to follow me step by step so that you can make it by yourself. Welcome and let's cook together. Now we are going to start to make our brown rice. I'm going to use a little bit of oil and let it get hot. I'm going to fry the rice before I put water. This will make the rice more nice. I'm going to add the rice. I'll also add a bit of salt. This rice is purple, so I'm going to use half liter of water. Now I'm going to let it stay for like 15 minutes, then we will be back. So now our rice is almost ready, as you can see, and you can eat it with the chicken sauce or any kind of main dish of your choice. Remember, this one is going to be very satiate. Just a small amount of it will make you fuller for a long time, and it will not spike your insulin level. So this is the very best choice, especially for those who want to lose weight and those who want to keep eating health and maintain a health weight. Thank you so much. See you to the next video.